Welcome to JH. In this comprehensive tutorial, I will explain exactly what Linktree is, why it is a vital tool for your online presence, and how to set it up on both web and mobile devices. We will also take a look at the pricing options, though it is important to note that every feature I demonstrate today is available in the free version of the platform. By using this amazing online tool, you can generate a professional landing page in just a few minutes without needing any coding knowledge. Linktree is currently used by over 35 million people and is growing in popularity because it allows you to display all your essential links on a single, engaging landing page. As the platform describes it, this is one link to help you share everything you create, sell, and promote across Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. To get started, navigate to the website linktr.ee or simply click the first link provided in the video description to go there directly. Before we begin the sign-up process, remember that Linktree is optimized for smartphones since most social media browsing happens on mobile devices. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok only permit one single link in your bio, and Linktree is designed specifically to solve this limitation with a customizable landing page. You can link to anything you like, including other social profiles, products, services you offer, or even specific videos. To begin the setup, look for the Claim Your Linktree box and enter your desired username. Use your business name or your own name if you are a personal brand. Click the Claim button to reach the sign-up page where you can create your account. Ensure your chosen name is available. A green check mark will appear if it is. Enter your email address and choose if you want to receive news updates before clicking Create Account. Choose a strong password of at least 8 characters and proceed. For a personalized experience, provide your name or brand name and select a category that best describes your content, such as education. Then pick a subcategory like e-learning before hitting continue. Regarding the cost, the free plan is more than sufficient for most users. It offers unlimited links, 28-day analytics for clicks and views, and even allows you to collect donations or payments with zero transaction fees for a limited time. While there are paid tiers you can upgrade to as your business expands, the free version is a great starting point. Select the monthly free option, scroll down, and click Join for free. You will then need to verify your account by clicking the link sent to your email inbox. Once verified, sign in to reach the main customization dashboard. The web and mobile applications are fully connected, so any updates you make will sync instantly across all devices. To add your first link, click the purple Add Link button. You can enter a URL manually or browse templates. For example, to add a YouTube video, copy the shareable URL from your YouTube channel and paste it into the link field. The title will often update automatically, but you can use the pencil icon to shorten it if it looks too long in the mobile preview. You can also add headers to organize your links and simply drag the dots on the left to reorder your items up or down. Each link has specific customization options. For videos, you can choose to play them directly on the Linktree page or send viewers to the external site. You can also set autoplay or mute preferences. While some features like link scheduling and prioritizing are reserved for paid plans, you can still add custom thumbnails to your links for free. The dashboard also shows you the total lifetime clicks for each link. Next, go to the Appearance tab to upload a profile image. You can scale and crop your logo before saving it. Linktree may even automatically adjust the background colors to complement your image. Don't forget to write a brief bio. To add social media icons, search for platforms like Facebook, enter your URL, and add them to your profile. You can choose to display these icons at either the top or the bottom of your page. In the Themes section, you can browse various designs. Many are free, and you can even create a custom look using specific colors or gradients. You can also modify button shapes, font colors, and shadow effects. Note that the Linktree logo at the bottom can only be hidden with a paid subscription, but it is usually not very noticeable once you add more content. The Analytics tab provides a basic overview of your views and click-through rates. To share your new page, click the Share button at the top right. From here, you can copy your unique URL, download a QR code as a PNG, or post it directly to your social accounts. To see how it looks on a computer, paste the link into a new browser tab. On mobile, you can download the Linktree app from the Play Store. The mobile interface is identical to the web version, allowing you to manage your links, appearance, and settings with ease. Take your time to customize your profile so your audience can easily find everything you have to offer. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. You can also support the channel via the PayPal link in the description. Thank you for watching and keep learning.